We are looking at a load trail 903 truck bed, and this particular model is a skirted model. This is a dually bed. I've opened the hatch so you can look at the gooseneck hitch. It's got, of course, toolboxes front and rear. These are pretty nice. They're industry standard latches, standard toolbox. The gasket is inside, seals against this part of the door here, and then you close it. Closes real nice. Stainless hinges so they don't rust. Rub rail, LEDs, tread plate on the top, and there is your gooseneck hitch. Notice the thickness of that metal. That's amazing. That is a beefy hitch. This is the heaviest hitch I've seen in all the truck beds I've looked at. So if you're going to pull a heavy load, this is the one to get. I'm sure 30,000 is underrated. Looking at that, and then also the receiver hitch in the back. That is very robust. You can see the underside video as well. Got the LED. Oh, you know what's nice is these LED lights are recessed. So if you happen to back into something or whatever, or something falls, it misses the lights. So that's smart. It's got the LEDs up in the headache rack as well. These fenders are movable, so you can slide them in a little bit or slide them out if needed. This is fantastic. It's got the foot where you can step, and I haven't seen that on any other truck bed. That's pretty smart. And your headache rack, kind of standard. It's got a little drain right here. The dot lighting. Well, they did their homework on this one, and this appears to be a real nice truck bed. So if you're in the market for a heavy duty one that you're going to pull some heavy trailers, this is the one to get. We're underneath a load trail 903 bed, and we're looking at it from a different perspective. This is the skirted one with the toolboxes below deck. It is very well built, very robust, and you can see by that hitch how thick that metal plate is, that double metal plate. The hitches are rated, I think, for $24,500 for the receiver and $30,000 for this, which is probably underrated by a good margin by how beefy that is. But the toolboxes are welded in place. They aren't going anywhere. Plate steel. These fenders are movable, which is really nice to have that option. You've got nice cross beams, the 4-inch channel. And then let me show you something really great about these beds, since we're looking at it from underneath. These beds have a step built in. The competitors, I haven't seen this before, and that is really smart. Real helpful. And there's a step. You can see the pocket on each side, and you can see that they allow for drainage. That's smart. And these are powder coated beds.